In our group, we will be explaining about the health and safety about the guillotine. Jason will now explain to you about the PPE we've been using for our guillotine.
Got my boots on, my boiler suit, my eye protection, and earmuffs for the noise.
Sam will now explain to you how you use the guillotine, and Paul will demonstrate.
You have to ensure fixed guards are in place to prevent hands or other parts of the body from entering the trap space. Working parts should be well lubricated and free of rust and dirt. The area of the machine must be adequately lit and kept free of materials which might cause slips or trips. Familiarise yourself with and check all machine operations and controls. Ensure cutting table is clear of scraps and tools. Fault equipment must not be used and it must be immediately reported. Before we begin, we must collect our sheet metal. As you can see, it's done by Jason and Paul. We will then place it on the platform of the guillotine. Once we have placed it on, we must ensure that the sheet metal is up against the edge of the platform to ensure that the blade will cut it straight. We will then set the measurement to 20 millimeters before we switch the machine on. As you can see, it's done by Paul here. Once we have set it, we can then turn the guillotine on and position our feet correctly so that one foot goes on the paddle, and the paddle is what we will press to ensure that the blade of the guillotine will cut our sheet metal. Once you're ready, Paul.
Yeah.
Okay. And once it is cut, the other part of the sheet metal will come out. And if we are happy enough, we can then turn the guillotine safely off.